Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing Gajar Matar ki sabji recipe. It's easy to make and a healthy side dish for roti or for rice. So let's get started with the recipe. I'm using 2 cups of carrots. So what I've done is I sliced the carrots into half and then again I sliced into small pieces like this. I'm also using 1 cup of green peas, also known as mutter. As you can see, I have also sprouted the green peas to make it more nutrient dense. I'm heating my cast iron kadai with 1 to 2 tablespoon wood pressed oil. You can use any locally sourced wood pressed oil of your choice. Remember that healthy cooking is all about using the right quality of oils. So try to use wood pressed oil in your cooking for your better health. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds. Once the jeera starts to splutter, reduce the flame to the lowest and add in the sliced carrots. Add in the sprouted green peas. Pink Himalayan salt as needed. Give it a good stir. At this moment, I'm not adding any extra water. Cover and allow it to cook for about 2 minutes on low flame. 2 minutes later, open the lid. Give it a good stir, and as you can see, water has started to release out. So I'm giving it a good stir and I'm again covering it with the lid and I'm allowing it to get cooked on low flame. In between, open the lid and stir it, just to make sure that nothing is getting stick to the bottom of the pan. And once the carrots are thoroughly cooked, I'm going to add in some spices. I'm adding in 1 teaspoon chilli flakes. Chilli flakes you can increase or decrease as per your taste. 1/4 teaspoon hing, also known as cayenne or asafoetida. 1/2 teaspoon amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder. And I'm going to give this all a good mix. Lastly, I'm adding in some fresh chopped coriander leaves. Stir it really well. And my super healthy carrot mutter sabji is ready to serve. I'm going to transfer this to a bowl. So guys, do try this healthy Gajar Matar ki sabji and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.